Hi, my name is Kathy from KatFitStitch, and today we're going to talk about the Elna Supermatic. It is a vintage sewing machine, and it's pretty cool. In fact, I'm just getting this one ready. I've serviced it, oiled it, gone through stitchings and making sure our tensions are correct and everything. Just getting it ready for a special birthday girl. Hopefully she's going to really love this. And we're just going to go over the threading, just the basic threading right now, upper threading. Now I've got an upside down serger cone in there. I know a lot of people say, oh no, you should never use a serger cone on a single needle machine, but really I do. Just put it upside down and it works fine, especially on this machine. This is a trooper. You can do anything with this machine. You can go through so many layers. You can sew through leather. Oh my goodness, I want to keep it. But it has to go. It's so beautiful though, and just showing you its uniqueness. It was actually made during wartime, and that's why that case behind you there, that was made kind of to copy the look of a ammo case. It's so cool. I'll show you that in another video. But for now, we're just going to go over the threading. So this, I mean, whatever kind of thread you want to put on, it's originally set up as a double needle machine. So you can have like two different spools or whatever, but single needle too. So behind it, you just bring it across to this little hook, and you put it through there, and then the back, you see where it comes down, you loop it under and around the front there. Now that little black wheel with the numbers on, that is the tension dial. And there's actually two different sides to it, mostly because you can have the double needle in there, so you can thread it one on one side and one on the other. It doesn't matter when you're using a single thread which side you use. So it's really cool. It's really easy to go through there. And then there is this this little bar that goes across there. You have to put the thread behind it when you thread it. See how it goes behind it? And then it goes up into the takedown lever and through there. And then on the needle itself, there is this little hook. It gets drawn back. Actually, you put it in this hook first, and then it gets drawn back here. And that keeps it out of the way, and it's part of the whole tension system. So you have to make sure that it's in there. And then front to back, you thread the needle. It's really quite cool, and that's all I'm going to show you for today for the tutorial on how to thread it. Thanks for watching. Bye.